So this is how you access the canopy from here. There's hatch along the way that you can access the sprinkler inside. So I'm gonna show you inside. So here we have our pipe here. Here's our 4-inch pipe. And as you can see right away, there's leaks here before. And they have temporary put bands with rubber gaskets to cover the holes, the pinholes. So let's take a tour of this place. I'll show you what's up. Okay. So here so right now we're above the walkway in the canopy, and this is the dry system. Here's your sprinkler, upright, intermediate sprinkler head. Here, standard response head, brass. And here is your branch mains coming along. Here's your main pipe coming along and feeding the branch lines. So okay, here we go. So here we have the main 90s, and then it comes down here, and then it goes into the stores, and as you can see, it goes into the warmer area. So we don't see any bands here, but judging by the looks of things, how things are corroding, you're gonna have more pinhole leaks along the pipe. Okay, so here we go. So from here, from this 90, 3-inch 90, you have a reducer coupling from 3-inch to 4-inch. So from here it's 4-inch. So we have a 4-inch pipe from this point. Going along, I gotta watch my step. So here we have 4-inch pipe, and as 4-inch pipe there, and we'll continue to go along, and then here we go, we have another clamp. Here's another temporary fix. We got a leak here, and we see here rubber, and then we have clamp, but this is not really a fix. This is you can still, air will still get out from this clamp here, and so this pipe should have been replaced. And so we have 2 leaks. I've shown you 2 leaks so far. And then here's our sprinkler head, and then 90 around, come along here, and now we continue along, and now we have another leak. Look at this, we have another leak. So how many leaks now? 3. So we have 3 leaks so far. You can see this one, and you can see the air pockets. You can see the air pockets. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, you can see the air. Another leak here. Look, another leak here. Look at this. This dry system has 4 leaks so far we have seen. And let's go along and see how many leaks we'll find again. We'll find along the pipe as we're tracing. You hear that? That's a leak. But this one, you can actually hear it. You can hear the hissing. Okay, let's get up closer. And there we go. There's a leak. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm trying to point the camera at it. You can hear it hissing, but it's right there. Right there. You can hear it start hissing more because I guess the compressor chipped in, so you can hear the leak even come in more when the compressor comes on. So all these pipes that have the leak has to be replaced. And eventually, the pipes that are not leaking will start to leak. I guess you're using sked 10 piping here. And so with the dry system, you get moisture, you get air, you're gonna have a leak. So I'm gonna try to fix this pipe temporarily and then replace the pipes. Okay, so there we go. Heading back to the exit there, the hatch. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time.